we're gonna install a kill switch today. Let's get installed. All right, so first things first, I do want to let you guys know that, of course, there is quite a bit of different kill switches out there, and not every kill switch, or I should say, not, if somebody wants to steal your car, they're going to steal your car, right? They can put that thing on a flatbed and take it out of there, even if it has a kill switch, right? So this is not going to prevent my car from being stolen. It is going to prevent it from having idiots who don't know how to, you know, hot wire and all that stuff, who just want to get a quick little in and out, go to take it to a car meet, take it to a takeout, you know what I mean? Maybe bust a little lick in the car, you know what I mean, and dump it somewhere. That's what I'm trying to prevent here, because of course, once they hot wire, they're trying to do everything like that, it's not going to work, right? It's not, they're going to try to, they need to find the switch somewhere, right? So I'm going to walk you guys through pretty much what it looks like and how it works. Alrighty guys, so pretty much I'm going to show you guys how this works. There is quite a different, I guess, varieties of kill switches out there. There is the battery kill switch. There is obviously like the ECU kill switch. There's all these different types of kill switches. Obviously, I'm not doing an ECU one or one of those crazy ones that go inside the dash. I'm not doing all that, right? I'm trying to do the most efficient as possible. And for 88 bucks shipped to my door from $41.22, I got this kill switch. So you can see right there, 88 bones and 22 cents, right? And honestly, it's not bad. Less than 100 bucks, right? Comes in this. If you guys want to buy it, I'll have a link to it down below if you guys want to buy this. I'll go ahead and put this here somewhere. And then obviously I can show you pretty much what it looks like here. So here it is, all of its glory right there. Pretty much, it's very simple. That's all it is. Let me actually unwire this and show you real quick what it looks like. All right, to the best of my abilities, I laid it out to where it makes sense here. I did obviously take this top off of the fuse box. Just take it off, very easy, right? And pretty much now, there's three main components to this. There is the main relay. It has 3 prongs. It's not gonna have 4, it's gonna have 3. I thought it came broken, it didn't. It said that clearly right here. It has 3 total pins. You know, read first, you know what I mean? I didn't read it first, so I got scared for a second until I read it after. Unplug this. Oh, that's hard to take out. So definitely wiggle it out of there. I don't know if it goes like this. I don't know if it goes like this. There you go. And then obviously the other third part of it is, of course, as you can see, there's 3 lines. One is a starter relay. One goes to your negative terminal. And the other one goes to obviously the actual switch, which looks like this. You're probably saying, where's the switch? It's right here, bud. They brought it. It's right here. Pretty much all you do is, of course, black goes to black, red goes to red. All you need to do is just splice the wires with a little cutter right here. Just, you know, take a little bit of this plastic off, take a little bit of plastic on the tip, you know, bind them together, and then use this little heat clamp thing to put them in between, and then just that's it. And then obviously wire it into your car wherever you want, and that should be it. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and connect this to the battery, and I'll show you guys how it works next. All right, so I got the negative terminal out right, very easy, little 8 mil. It comes out, right, and what you wanna do is pretty much just put this little thing in the hole. It obviously not going to fit straight in there and go right in and slide in there, so you probably need to spin it around, and it goes all the way deep, and then it finally goes to the tip. But let me go do that here with both hands, and I'll show you what it looks like after. I was an idiot, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, disconnect also the positive one. Don't just do just the negative one. I'm an idiot. Almost freaking literally torched my freaking thing right here, because when I was twisting like this, I hit this metal contact and it just zapped me. So definitely, guys, unplug both. Don't pull a rookie move like me, all right, guys? So don't forget that. All right, so we went ahead and we installed the negative terminal. I don't know if you guys can see it, but pretty much it goes. I actually took off the little this little rubber condom thing off. I cut it open just so it's easy to come off and on next time, because it usually looks like this right here, where it covers the whole head and like the actual plug part. As you can see right here, what it looks like with the added on, that plug part. That's the only part I care to like actually cover. So I just put like that, I covered it. There you go, that's fine. But I ended up putting obviously the real negative terminal, and then obviously the terminal for the kill switch, and then the bolt right back on it, just kind of squished in between. And then next up, I went ahead and I obviously pretty much just put them both in each one of these little splits, and then just heat up with like a torch or like a flame, or I don't know, whatever you want, like just heat up the edges, and they shrink. And they clamp on, they shrink, clamp on, and then now you have your switch right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much plug in the switch and see if it pretty much works now before I actually wire it in and all that stuff. All right, so I got the wire here. It's loosely wired now. I just want to test it out first before I actually hardwire it in everywhere. I don't know if it's on or off. I have no clue if it's on or off, so I'm just gonna turn it on and see if it works real quick. Doesn't work. All right. Yo! It works! Alright, and just to test it out, just to show you what it looks like, I'll show you the other end here. Alright, so I think it's on right now. Let me test it out real quick. Alright, it's on, right? Turn it off. Let's go ahead, let's flip the switch. Alright. Doesn't work. Look at that. There it is, baby. Ah! Now I need to find out where I'm gonna put this. I don't know, maybe I might put this in here, I don't know, but I'll wire it. And I'll show you where I'm gonna wire it from real quick, guys. Actually, turn the AC off real quick. So let me show you real quick where I'm gonna wire it from. All right, for wiring, you can go crazy with it. You can do whatever you wanna do, but from what I saw that there's a gap right here that I wanna kind of go in between. So there is a gap, as you can see, that falls right in between this right here. If you go into here, it goes straight through here and it goes right in here. And I'll show you where it comes out of here. Boom, right there. You see that little hole right here in between the nut in here? That's a gap right there. So I'm gonna wire it in here, and I'll probably wire it inside and tuck it in under this panel. And then I'll probably have it stick out somewhere here. I don't know, figure it out. But that's kind of how I'm gonna wire it, and that's how I'd recommend you guys do it. If you guys wanna do the lazy route like me. I'm sure there's probably other routes you can probably follow a harness somewhere. You can probably follow any harness that goes into the cabin, do that, whatever. Well, there it is. Nice, comes right out of there. I'll do the wiring job a bit later. I just obviously don't want to show you guys where I'm gonna put my kill switch at, but you guys can put it wherever you guys want. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you guys did like today's video, you guys like the GMT 800s, or you just have a 13-inch or soft, click down below, click like, leave a comment, let me know what your GMT 800 looks like, or if you bought something like this, let me know how it works. I've tried the battery ones, they don't work. I've tried doing them, they don't work. So if you guys obviously want something like this, click down below, buy it. I'll have it linked down below. If you guys like the content, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, you know how the deal is. So anyways, guys, see you guys next video.